guys, so I know this is super informal. I'm not even on camera, but I have all this makeup here and I'm ready to do my 100,000 subscriber giveaway. I've been so busy with wedding planning and everything that I just wanted to do this for you guys. So as you can see, I have so much to give away. We have a naked palette, we have foundations, we have brushes, we have lipsticks on lipsticks on lipsticks, we have Too Faced, we have Bite Beauty, Physicians Formula, Cargo, NYX. Guys, it's overwhelming. So much stuff. We have some Cargo. We have some palettes by Hush. We have some lashes. We have some Real Techniques. So much stuff. Wet n Wild, Physicians Formula, Too Faced, Beauty Blender. What else? Elf, Revlon, CoverGirl, Milk, not Milk. Well, actually, there might be Milk in here. Pop Beauty. Oh yeah, look. Milk, CoverGirl, Urban Decay, Revlon, NYX. I mean, I could go on forever. We have some Pixie. There's so much stuff. So I'm going to be doing some mystery boxes. And I want to do 10 winners. So it's going to take me a while to get 10 winners because obviously I want to take my time to choose and get them out. But all you have to do to enter is make sure that you, 1, subscribe to my YouTube, 2, follow me on Instagram, 3, follow me on Twitter, 4, leave a comment down below, and let's see, what should be your entry? So for your entry, I want you to leave something you love about your body. You know I'm all about body positivity, so I want you to leave something you love about your body, what you love, why you love it, and what you do when you're not feeling your best. That way we can all read each other's comments, get inspiration, get confidence, you know, just so it can be something deeper than just beauty, but your reward will be beauty. And there's going to be 10 winners. Mystery boxes, well, not so much a mystery because you see so much stuff here, but each individual box will be filled with different goodies. And there's no top winner, bottom winner. Everyone will be filled, everyone's box will be filled with goodies. So all you have to do is do those 4 things. Look, I have a tan line for my ring. How funny is that? I'm cleaning, so I don't have it on. But do those 4 things. And in your comment, leave your email address with your name so that when I choose you as a winner, I can contact you with your name and email. That is a big deal. So yes, make sure that you're 13 or older or have your parents' permission to enter. And let's do this. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. I'm so happy that we've reached this milestone. Cannot wait to get my 100,000 subscriber plaque. It's going to be amazing. So yes, definitely enter this giveaway. Like I said, there's going to be 10 winners. So you have a chance to win. So enter. All right. Love you guys. Don't forget to stay glam. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.